Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Varun, and in today's video, we will take a quick look at the functionality to request a reschedule for your bookings via our API. To begin, let's head over to the account integration section and grab our API key. With the API key in hand, the next stop would be the Developer Center, that is our API reference page. Here, the functionality to request a reschedule is listed under the booking functionalities. Now, for a more comprehensive view, I'll go ahead and access our API client. And here, the first thing is get the API key validated. Now, with the API key validated, let's head over to the bookings. Now, to request a reschedule, the first thing is get the API key. The next requirement is the booking ID. Now, if you already have the booking ID in hand for which you want to go ahead and request a reschedule, you can just add it here. Or else you can just head over to list all bookings and send. This will go ahead and give you the list of all the bookings on the calendar. So for example, I'll go ahead and request a reschedule for this booking. Here, once I have the booking ID, I can head back to request a reschedule function, add the booking ID in the relevant field and send. So that will go ahead and cancel the existing booking and send a reschedule link or a reschedule request to the client. So this is the body of the API call that we made. Now let's validate that from the OnceHub account as well. Let's head back there, activities, and if I go ahead and search for the relevant booking, here it is, Alex Hayes. The meeting has been cancelled and a request for reschedule has been sent to your client. So this is how you can reschedule or make more booking management, do your booking management from our API client as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.